I want to promote the health of Korea through its clear water and clean nature. 웰바이오, a promise born from nature. Our principles are simple. Quality ingredients, honest processes, and a taste for people. A refreshing bottle of drink that relieves the day's fatigue. Countless unseen efforts go into it. Our production line, which has obtained HACCP certification and thoroughly manages every process, from raw food ingredients to manufacturing, packaging, and distribution, is operated with 100% mechanization. And our GMP certification guarantees product safety and quality through hygienic and standardized processes. The journey of creating 웰바이오's bottled beverages begins with precise mixing. After sterilization and filtration, they are ready for filling. When empty bottles are fed in, they are washed, then mixed with beverage ingredients, filled with beverages, sealed and sorted, labeled and packaged in a fully automated process before being supplied to customers and consumers. We regularly sample and test not only our products, but also the air, water, and equipment surfaces inside our factories. HACCP is not a certification, it is our basic principle. 웰바이오 thought. We revived the traditional values with modern technology, maintaining our commitment to health while making consumption easier. For modern people who are becoming increasingly exhausted day by day, One Key Wild Ginseng Culture Root Extract is a scientifically extracted extract of the effective ingredients of ginseng, and Well-Being Hutgay Powder Plus can help improve liver health and hangover fatigue. 웰바이오's health essential items, made with ginseng, red ginseng, collagen, and vitamins, are the precious life that grows slowly. 웰바이오 is a trusted company that holds Food Safety Management System certifications, HACCP, and GMP certifications. In order to improve product safety and quality, it has obtained halal certification, vegan certification, and a patent for a hangover relief drink using malt syrup, and its technological prowess has been recognized. We are doing our best to produce products that are more beneficial to our bodies. We are always creating a greater tomorrow with our trustworthy partners. 웰바이오 works with the best partners in each field, from raw materials to production, distribution, and consumer delivery. Beverages made with ginseng, red ginseng, collagen, and perilla leaves are continuously being added to the lineup and can be produced in sizes ranging from 50 milliliters to 120 milliliters. 웰바이오, which has achieved sustainable growth by achieving annual sales growth of more than 20% from 2021 to 2024 through innovative R&D and thorough quality control, has achieved the feat of receiving the $1 million Export Tower Award and being selected as one of the 1,000-plus global small and medium enterprises, and is consistently loved not only in Korea, but also in the United States, China, Japan, Taiwan, Myanmar, Cambodia, Vietnam, Malaysia, and Singapore. As the consumption structure of food consumed by the body shifts toward natural and healthy foods, all employees are doing their best in production to improve the quality of life and provide consumers with the gift of a healthy, 100-year lifespan. Going forward, all 웰바이오 executives and employees will continue to strive to build a competitive management foundation and contribute to the healthy lives of consumers. 웰바이오,